Coco? Coco.
Okay, ready, go. It's at least a foot, not two.
No, it's not too. Wow.
Another foot and a half.